Dismiss it.
Pardon to mention, Your Lordship, on out of turn bail application, Your Lordship, the urgency is there, Your Lordship. The master tribal offense 52A Orissa Excise Act has
What
been
is the
implicated.
urgency?
Urgency, Your Lordship, the wife of the petitioner is in advanced stage and the
Have
date
you
of
moved
delivery is
some-
in
Any interim application you move?
no, my lords.
You move up interim application. So that the bail applications are coming serially.
Really, yes, Your Lordship.
If you have an interim application, you tell me. You move an interim application. it's fine.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
My pardon to make a mention, Lord, this bail application, my Lord, listed before this Honorable Court 9/2/2024, my Lord. Now do it thila. Specific direction given the boot of this matter 29/2. Till today, my Lord, the matter has not been listed. In spite of direction, the
It
matter.
was listed before this court or some other court.
Justice assignment change before assignment, my Lord, justice.
You will see how
Okay.
it comes with the.
Specific direction, just my magistrate office, my Lord.
You will see. The reading.
Pardon to make a mention, my lords. This is a fresh admission CRLMC application.
Give.
Pardon to mention, my lord. My lord, criminal revision number 463 of 2014, my lord. My lord, the urgency is that the petitioner is out of job since 2013. Lord, it is spread that he is going through financial crisis. Therefore, if the matter may be taken up earlier,
It's pending since
2014 matter.
2014, now all urgency came after one decade.
He has been out of job since 2013.
You give it to things are coming over the class.
Okay, sir.
Pardon.
Don't ask for adjournment if listed, okay.
One fresh admission is CRLMC matter, man.
Yeah.
Releasing of
Give.
My lord, item 79, no instruction in the matter, my lord.
Withdraw.
Right.
79 withdraw.
I'm pardon to make mention, my lord. I'm pardon to make mention, my lord. One BLPL 64 of 2024, my lord. In this case, today I have filed an IA for the uncle of the petitioner has expired on 6/3 of 2024, my lord. Can this matter taken up tomorrow?
Not tomorrow. The uncle died, what is it?
Sir, he's only a son of his family, my lord. Only one son.
Uncle doesn't have any.
No, my lord.
What is the offense?
302 and other offenses are there, my lord. And he's a student, my lord. Obliged, lord.
Just see if it is our assignment or somebody comes and any co-accused application is there somewhere. Take it up.
Pardon to mention, Lord, see, this is a fresh answer matter. And Lord, see, the daughter-in-law and father-in-law, the dispute matter. Lord, see, this is the matrimonial dispute arises a matrimonial dispute under section 294, 323, 506. Lord, see, petitioner seeking to quash the affair, Lord, see.
Settlement. Already settled? No, settled. Settlement has not taken place. Give. Take the memo, see.
Okay, Lord,
We'll see. Yes. Any other mentioning online? No. Go on. 1. Yeah. 22? 22. Yes. Pass it. 23.
Item 3 may I pray for an adjournment, my lords.
23.
Item 3 may be adjourned, my lords.
4.
24.
24.
My Lord.
Yes, tell me.
Hearing the offense 394 for 11 for 13/34 of IPC. The petition is in custody 6/12/2023 And-
Custody since
6/12/2023.
6/12/20.
The allegation so far the affair is concerned, Lordship, while he was coming, two unknown persons obstructed him and snatched away the mobile phone. Lordship, see the rejection order. Two unknown persons who IO detected through the CCTV footage and arrested one unknown person, that is co-accused Raja Rajkishore Bari. His confession, another co-accused person arrested. And his confession, third co-accused person's confession, the petitioner has been attacked. And petitioner having no similar type of antecedents, one criminal antecedent at 354 of IPC and 12 mobile phones seized from the petition.
How many mobile phones were recovered from you?
12 number.
12 mobile phones which I have procured from the co-accused.
business. How many cases you have?
No, only one case 354 IPC. No other cases 379, 395 or 394. Similar
What?
type.
What were you doing with this 12
My lord,
mobile phone? What you are doing?
I am a local.
It's a business.
Really?
3 months. 3 months every week you will go and
My lord.
write down the allegations are placed with 12 middle. Mr. Dagada says that 12 mobile phones were recovered from him. So he is a habitual offender. However, there is one case registered against him. 3 months every Sunday.
My
Yes. 25.
Maybe. No, offense under section 20B, 2, capital B of NDPS Act. Seizure 1 kg to 300 gram, include
How much?
1
1
kg.
kg 300 grams.
1 kg.
Yes.
Huge a lot of it.
Okay.
26.
Ganja, na?
Ganja.
1 kilo 300 grams.
Maybe.
Yes.
Maybe. In this case, the present commission of offense under 302-201, the 34 of IPC. Earlier, the present petition was on bail minor. But due to long gap, he has absconded and now NBW has been issued and subsequently he was arrested. And
Where is the bail order? Show me.
in the
NBW issued, my lord, year 2008, my lord. And apprehended this year, my lord, on only 21.
2007.
Religion 2007.
Yes, ma'am.
NBW issued 2008. And now he is arrested in January, month of January.
Then why should the court will trust you? Again, I'll give bail after 20 years. Will come back.
The
302.
302-201, madam. There is no
Whatever, but you see, your conduct is your bail is granted. You remain absent.
Only for him, the case is lingering. Only for this accused, case is lingering since 2007.
When you got the bail, I'll expedite the trial. Where is the FIR? FIR ke bolo?
2007, madam. Annexure 1, madam.
88-2006, my lord. FR 88-2006.
FIR number diyon.
FR number 127.
In FIR number?
Keonjhar Sadar PS case number, my lord. 127-2006.
Under section 302.
220-134 IPs.
The petitioner, next paragraph, the petitioner was granted bail on 7/5/2007. 7/5/2007. After the bail, he did not cooperate with the trial, as a result of which, NBW prevailed.
18-2008.
18/2/2008, NBW was issued. However, the petitioner could only be apprehended. When?
21-1-2024. 21-1-24. After 15 years.
The accused has escaped from the accused has misused the concessions granted to him and remain absconded for 15 years. Therefore, he is not. Therefore, he doesn't deserve to be on bail. However, taking into consideration the fact that the case is between 2006 and the trial is delayed due to the absence of the present accused, I am of the considered view that the trial court should do well to see that the trial is concluded as expeditiously as possible. And the petitioner is given liberty to renew his bail application after 6 months.
Any strengthened condition?
6 months. After 6 months, you come. You used to do that. Renew your bail after 6 months, you get it. Yes.
27.
On behalf of Mr. Pradhan, I may be permitted to place the matter, my lord.
Yes.
Allegation against me is that, my lords, I am a young boy of 21 years, my lords. That on the date of an alleged incident, while the informant performing patrolling duties, my lord, they saw that, my lords, that I was carrying the ganja basta containing 22 kg, including basta
ଫୁଲ ଫଳ ପତ୍ର ଥାଇ
And
and
22.
deep level.
28.
Yes.
28. Another 28, item 28, and we have taken up with the item 38 and 40 manner. Arise to one FR.
38, 40.
38, 40.
Okay. 29.
29. 29,
Next.
30,
The offense is 490, 420 my lord. The
Hmm?
case 419, 420 of IPC my lord.
Yes.
The allegation against the present petitioner, he was the employee of MCL my lord, Manath Coalfield Limited my lord. And he has an impersonator, he has got employment my lord, and another name my lord. Employment, impersonate,
in
impersonate,
place of a dead person, madam.
impersonate my lord. At the
That-
verge of retirement, he has that initial department of proceeding.
When you got the job,
And since long my lord, at that
well,
time,
when,
the exact date I am not
and you have been working for how many years?
more than 20 years my lord.
Now you.
But now, disciplinary proceeding initiated against me, my lord. That has been stayed by the Honorable Court, my lord. Now they have filed the FR and the present petition in custody since more than
Petitioner
4 months, my lord.
So the allegation against the petitioner is that way back 20 years back, he impersonated a dead person and intended to be job. And he had been working for about more than 2 decades in the, who is the complainant?
And the complainant, my
2
lord,
decades in the
the wife of the deceased, my lord.
Bharat Petroleum.
Sorry, no, sorry, ये Lakhan
Manager.
manage project officer Lakhanpur OCP, my lord.
Bharat Petroleum.
No, not Bharat, MCL, Mohanath
MCL.
Coalfield,
MCA.
MCL.
He was after 20 years, he was the wife of the deceased, on whose identity the petitioner has brought the job complaint before the authority, leading to file the FIR. We are in custody since.
I am in custody since, my lord. 25/2023, 25th.
Granted.
31.
May I please yours. Offense under 372N, 313 and 6 of the POSCO Act. There was law affair between the petitioner and the victim since 21 years.
CD.
And lordship, the victim statement,
CD.
my lord, victim.
CD task.
CD call. Yes.
32.
May I please? Petitioner is custody since 9/12/2023, madam. My lord, petitioner is custody since 9/12/2023, my lord, and petitioner is not named in the FIR, my lord. During investigation, he was arrested as he is the mastermind of the offense.
What
my
is the investigation?
As per
Stage
rejection.
of investigation?
This investigation is continuing, my lord. In fact, 3 criminal antecedents against the petitioner, my lord.
So you continue, let
Yes,
charge be filed. You will repeat it,
But how?
you file after charge.
No, my lord.
The
pending.
investigation is still on in the present case. The petitioner has 3 antecedents. Therefore, therefore the liberty is granted to the petitioner to renew his bail plea after the charge sheet is filed. At this stage,
What?
the petition is just.
Perhaps charge sheet has already been filed, my lord. Kindly pass over, I will against us.
He says that it is not filed, still going on.
Rejection order shows that is investigation is progress.
A charge sheet is filed, and repeat it.
Repeat.
I have given that.
Oblate.
33.
32, 33. 3762N, my lord. Kindly see the one, I have annexed to 161 sheriff statement. The victim stated that.
Where is that?
Says, annexer,
Read it.
annexer 3, my lord.
What is 17?
Page 16, my lord.
17-year-old.
7 years. Can see the 164.
Registration shows that
115.
Where the
Where is
164
Where is 164? Do you have?
Let's be a certificate copy of.
File it, because I can't take it. There is no paper here. You'll file it.
Certificate copy.
It's all right. That's the reason I'm saying. File it.
There is never Alice regarding the commission of
That's
the.
right. You will get it, but file it. I don't have any paper.
Yes.
Everything is online. You have everything.
Let's keep this matter next week, my lord.
Next week.
34.
Yeah.
Thirty-five. 36. 37.
What is it? Here.
37.
You are in 37?
No, lordship, I am 34, lordship.
Okay, 34 come. 34, yes, tell me.
Question the lady lordship, allegation of 307 and other offenses.
307.
Lordship.
Yes. Where is the FIR?
FIR, lordship.
Problem. That is, this is no way of doing it. You know, online, I can't read it. I can't keep that paper also. I can't keep the paper.
So rejection order I will file for the.
I accept rejection order, you have not filed. No, I can't take it.
For
File it.
For reference, the lady lordship one.
But that's right, but you have to bring it on record.
And the
Unless you bring it on record, how will I decide the case? Everything is online. If physical file would have been there, I would have accepted and put it there. Now I can't do it. Next week.
No, injury is simple lordship.
That's right. Next week you will get it.
Tomorrow lordship I will file.
Tomorrow may not be possible. 100 matters, how can I deal?
Day after tomorrow lordship.
You file it immediately. You should come with full preparation so that you will not waste your time. If you are entitled to bail, you will get it. Yes, next. 34.
38.
38.
May I please, lordship?
38, there are 3 matters.
Madam, 38,
Yes.
40 and 28.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, item 38. It's a case of 307. Case also, counter case also there, lordship. I have annexed the counter case, that is page 16, my lord. That is counter case of the my case. And injury also simple in nature, lordship. In the meantime, co-accused person granted bail. I have annexed also bail application.
Where is
of,
that?
Page 21, annexure 4, lordship.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Man accused has been
Granted bail, lordship.
unanticipated.
Anticedent, right now. This is anticipatory bail.
Yes.
No, it is regular bail.
Annexed 21. Therefore, the petitioner is accused also. The co-accused Sunil Naik has been enlarged on bail by the enlarged on anticipatory bail by the coordinate bench on 17/8/2022 while disposing of ABPAL number 3487 page annex 4. Although the allegation against the petitioner is regarding commission of offence under 307 IPC, but the perusal of the medical document indicates that the evidence are simple in nature. Granted. Yes. Granted.
Yes, lordship. Item 40.
Yes, sir.
40, what happened?
40 also bail application of the another co-accused person, lordship. 307 case, counter case. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, lordship.
I don't 21 October, my lord.
On behalf of
No, 40, I'm on 40 now. I mean, 40 also same.
Same.
26 also same.
My lord.
8 also same, my lord.
8. Sir,
20. 28, 40, 38 and 40. हाँ, same order करियो, तो please wait. ठीक है? Sometimes you need to there is a there are cross cases of cross cases filed by there are cross cases inter party. Yes.
Obliged.
Any antecedent, Mr. Ragada? These people have any antecedent?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, tell me. Which matter there is an antecedent?
All accused has antecedent, Lordship.
How many cases?
Present petition in case number item 38, present petition has 3 antecedent.
Very
And item 40, then he has 2 antecedent, Lordship.
Item 28, my lord.
28 रो बेसी अछि.
Short আছে. 6 antecedent.
3 months they will go to police station report every Sunday.
In
3
fact,
months. 3 months continuously you have to go to the police station and sign an antecedent.
Obliged, Lordship.
only because in fact, my lord, the
And if you commit any kind of further this thing,
Yes, yes, Lordship.
jail will be considered. That also I am indicating. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
39.
39. 3 months. Yes.
39. 41.
41 may please, Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, the petition is in custody since my lord.
376,
12,
my lord, notice has to go.
Notice has to go. Notice. 370.
My lord.
Oh, extra copy.
Extra copy.
My lord.
Yes. 40.
42.
My lord.
Yes.
Custody since
Fix my date, my lord.
14,
Date.
Much obliged.
custody since 14/12/23. Well, allegation of 302 and 498, 302, 34.
Your husband?
Lord,
Who are you? Husband?
yes, Lord. Husband,
Yes.
in the case of suicidal act, but
Charge sheet is filed.
the charge sheet, so for today morning I got the instruction that charge sheet has been submitted.
302 or 306?
306.
Get the charge sheet. Next week.
Yes.
Charge sheet. File the charge sheet immediately.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
43.
At 20B, 2B, my lord, 2.1 kg. Custody more than 1 month. 2.1 kg. D kg side.
Ganja.
Yes, sir. Custody more than 1 month.
Name order 2.1.
And
2 kilo?
2.1
2 kilos 100 gram.
Grant. Okay.
No similar nature of practice.
44.
Yes.
May I please?
Yes.
Offense under section 341, 224, 94, 323, 354, 507, 5.
Okay, it's all right. Tell me, what is the allegation? What is the allegation?
Is injury is simple and custody from 20 January 2024. Other accused are released on bail.
Where is that?
Abusing to the police, abusing and assaulting to the police officers, my lord, while discharging their duties, my lord. And investigation is going on.
My lord, I am not abusing.
Co-accused has already been granted bail.
No, my lord.
Who is the co-accused? Where is his bail order?
Sidhe sir.
Where is his bail order? The problem here. Why don't you file all these things? You are throwing papers on the court. Right on. Allegation against the co-accused, Siddheshwar Samantha has been enlarged on the anticipatory bail by the coordinate bench of this court on 21/2/2024 while disposing of the
Obliged.
antecedent. How
No,
many cases you have?
no antecedents. Obliged.
Nine because
45. Yes.
46.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Custody since 1/2/2024, Your Lordship. Offense under section 20B of 21B of NDPS Act, 5 gram of brown sugar and 1 kg.
Deadly combination. Brown sugar
Seizure.
and ganja, both.
5 gram. 5 gram.
Investigation is on
Investigation is going on.
end of
5 gram, Your Lordship.
end of April. End of second week of April. Yes. Next.
47.
My lord, the case is under section 20B2C of the NDPS Act, my lord, and 20B2C of the NDPS Act.
Yes.
And the petitioner is in custody since, my lord, 17/12/2023, your lord. And the contraband article has been seized from the roadside, my lord. And on being seen the police, the petitioner fled away from the spot, and subsequently
What is the recovery?
28 kg, my lord.
28.
My lord.
Man of West Bengal. Man of West Bengal.
West Bengal.
West Bengal.
28
Investigation is on.
Charge sheet file.
That's it, fine.
Charge sheet file. Appear before the PSA.
With the same condition.
Yes, yes.
Outside.
Outside the conditions separate.
Outside condition.
highly obliged, your lord.
48.
May it please your lordships. 307 and other allied offences, your lordships.
48.
48, your lordships.
Okay.
307 and other allied offences, your lordships. The allegation is that the petitioners had gone to the house of the informant and assaulted him by means of sword, gun, and punched him. But your lordships, the CD, of course, has been called for on examination, medical examination. No external injuries whatsoever found.
No external.
No external. This is the, I have the copy.
Using sword, gun, and no external.
No that.
You are very powerful. You are very powerful.
Luckily, the victim escaped. Luckily, is having this petitioner is having 2 criminal cases, and the second sub item is having 10 cases in different kinds of.
And the
second sub item.
The informant also has around 10 cases.
So therefore, you are entitled to.
No, your lordship, this is inter-gang liability. There are litigations with regard to cancellation of bail pending. So that is the reason why these kind of litigations are
Very dangerous, these people.
Your lordship, but there is no injury. So if there was an injury, I would not have actually pressed. But then there is.
Gote din local dada. Local dada ye lordship.
6 months.
Yes.
Every Sunday.
Yes.
6 months every Sunday. Allegation, there is no. Although the allegation is that the accused had used the sword and gun.
Mauser.
Mauser, while attacking the informant or being injured. But the medical report indicates that there is no external injury. The petitioner had how many cases?
In one, he has.
First case, Bullu alias Subham Chaudhary having 2 cases.
Bullu Subham Chaudhary.
First case, 205 BLAPL.
205 re 6 cases.
No, 2 cases.
2 cases.
2 cases.
And in 226 re
10 cases. 10 cases.
Mrs. Naidu further submits that the informant injured is also involved in as many as 10 cases.
Lordships, or even more.
There is a rivalry amongst informant and the accused person. Taking into consideration the aforementioned fact, although the petitions are granted bail, but however, they should appear before the IIC.
Goswami Nuaga.
Goswami Nuaga Barampur on every Sunday.
Yes.
At 10:30.
Yes.
At 10:30. Failing to appear before the IIC for one occasion will entail cancellation.
For a period of 6 months.
For a period of 6 months.
Obliged, Lordship. There are 2 separate applications, your lordship. So petitioners, your lordship, are declared, it will be separate.
Yes. 226 and
Lordships.
50.
Obliged.
Get ready to file a fresh application because these people looking into their character, they will.
My problem is solved. Next will be the next council.
49.
May I please? Petitioner custody matter 18/12/23 matter. Allegation against the present petitioner matter 67 of cough syrup matter seized from the possession of the petitioner matter.
How much?
67 bottles.
Cough syrup.
Cough syrup. First offender, no antecedent, my lord. In custody, my lord, 18/12/2020.
Where is, what is the charges against you?
21C, my lord.
21C.
My lord.
How many cases you have?
No antecedent. As per my instruction, no antecedent.
Charge sheet is filed?
No, no, yes, yes, my lord. Charge sheet file, yes.
Just see, check it.
Yes, charge sheet file. Charge sheet file on 18/12/2023.
What are the allegations?
Allegation, my lord, cough syrup.
He was carrying cough syrup. The codeine phosphate is found having 1 kg 340 grams.
700 bottle.
1 kg is commercial quantity.
No, commercial quantity, but no antecedent. You are a
Local man.
druggist.
No, man. Local man.
Hey, what you do you have a license, drug license?
No, no.
That is why the FIR has been registered. Having no license and that is the.
How much sodium? What is that?
1 kg is the commercial quantity. So it is just above 340 grams. 1 kg.
What is that right now? The petitioner.
1 kg.
The allegation against the petitioner is petitioner was apprehended illegally carrying 87 bottles of 67 bottles of
Cough syrup.
Cough syrup.
Yes.
The chemical analysis report indicates that
1 kg 340 grams of codeine phosphate has been found.
300 grams of codeine phosphate has been found.
Yes.
Although it is beyond the commercial quantity, but taking into consideration that the fact that the petitioner had no incident and he is in custody since
18/12/2023.
18/12/2023, granted.
Obliged.
Sir, cooperate with the yes.
Any condition?
Shall appear before the PS for a period of 2 months at least, because it's a medicine which is spreading over the society.
2 months.
It's a serious matter.
Okay, 2 months.
Yes, yes.
50.
Please, Your Lordship.
50.
Your Lordship, the present petitioner has been in custody since 12/12/2023, Your Lordship. For the commission of offences punishable under section 20B2C, Your
Yeah,
Lordship.
29 kg 300 gram gun.
Antecedent?
Your Lordship, as far as my instructions goes, there is one criminal antecedent, Your Lordship.
Similar nature.
Of similar nature, not in Odisha, Your Lordship. But however, we do not know as to the veracity of that, Your Lordship.
International Khiladi?
No, Your Lordship.
Not in Odisha, somewhere else.
Let it
No, Your Lordship, daily labor, Your Lordship.
let it stay some more time because outside that.
Your Lordship,
Check it. So, this week, leave this week, next week. Get
Yes.
the incident and tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
51.
Please, Your Lordship. My Lordship, NBW issue against the petitioner on 18 March 2023 and he is arrested by the police 13 January 2024, my Lordship. Previously, I have already released on bail by my Lordship, by your Lordship court. By the
Okay, you are on bail.
My Lordship.
When you got
I'm released on bail on 29 July 2017, my Lordship.
29 July 17. Okay.
By bail application number
NBW issued?
NBW issue against me, my Lordship, on 18 March 2023.
From 17 to 2003, 23, where were you?
My Lordship, NBW issue on 18 March 2023, my Lordship.
No, 17 you got the bail.
My Lordship.
For 6 years, where were you?
My Lordship, I am outside. That's why I am not able to contact with my advocate, my Lordship.
The question is, my lord, in between, he might have some criminal antecedent because it's a NDPS case.
So what is the recovery?
So this present case is 50 kg or 50 grams. 50 grams of brown sugar has been seized so far. The present case is concerned.
My Lordship, I'm ready to avoid all the term and condition, my Lordship. I'm ready to
What
avoid.
condition? 6 years see, 6 years you misuse the bail. Why should the court again be a party to this?
My Lordship, my Lordship.
Petitioner is an accused of such case, and he was enlarged on bail on 29 on 17. However, he escaped. However, he avoided appealing to court, leading to issuance of NBW on 18/3/2020. He was arrested. Since the petitioner has issued the bail for 6 years, he is not entitled for any concession of bail. Yes. 52.
But the offense under section 21B and the petitioner since custody, my lord, 11/12/2023, my lord. My lord, as per allegation, my lord, the 3.5 gram.
What was the earlier order?
As per the last occasion, your lordship directed the government council to take instruction regarding criminal antecedent. And as per
Yes,
their
yes.
instruction, one antecedent is there, and in which the present petitioner was on bail, my lord. I have filed that
This
copy of the order, my lord.
present case is 6.5 gram brown sugar, and he is having similar antecedent. One.
No, he was on bail in another case.
Yes,
Yes, that antecedent.
That is 254 grams.
Yes.
No, my lord. What happened? I am apprising you, lordship. My lord, in that case, Shahrukh Ali Khan was the main accused, my lord. Basing upon that statement, the present petitioner has been arrested. Not only the present petitioner, my lord, 20 to 23 persons have been arrested as accused, my lord. Basing on that statement, the present petitioner was neither on the spot nor anything has been seized from
But
his.
you are a part of the gang, those who are dealing with brown sugar.
Yes.
As simple as that.
Yes, my lord. I am apart from that. On basing upon that.
You were on bail in one of the case where you were taking brown sugar.
Yes.
Again,
No, my lord. I was not taking brown sugar, my lord.
whatever the
The main accused was arrested, and basing upon that statement, cooperative statement, I was not on the spot. Neither anything
how
has
many
been.
cases you have against you?
My lord, as per their.
As per you.
No, but I have seek instruction that in that case I was on bail, my lord.
So how many cases you have
But I have
dealing
to.
with brown sugar?
But I have to take instruction.
You seek instruction.
Ma-
First of all, brown sugar. Second, you have many cases.
My lord, it is.
And doing
it is-
same brown
my
sugar
lord,
business.
my lord, it is available in nature, my lord.
Available?
3.5 gram, my lord.
Available, no?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I am showing a judgment of this honorable court.
So why
my
have you come to it? Available gold?
Available,
No,
very
my lord.
good.
Whoever.
My lord,
Is
I am appraising, my lord. As per schedule of the CRPC, my lord, it is punishment is for 1 year, my lord. Kindly have a glance to the.
So why?
My lord, kindly have a glance to 21A, my lord. Though it was mentioned as 21B, my lord, 5 gram is the small quantity, and more the commercial quantity is 1 kg, my lord.
এটা হচ্ছে 6.5 গ্রাম, এটা হচ্ছে 6.5 গ্রাম।
2%
More
are
than
there,
small
my lord.
quantity.
2% are there. One person and and they have separated, my lord. From my possession, my lord, 3 point.
Which provision you want?
My 21, page 62 of the punishment for contravention in relation to manufacture drugs and preparation, my lord.
Yeah.
A, where the contravention involves small quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 year, or with fine which may extend to 10,000 rupees, or both.
What is total recovery?
But total 6.5 gram, my lord. And in the FIR, my lord, kindly have a glance. They have separated, my lord. Seizure separate also. 3 point, my lord, kindly have a glance to page 11 of my brief. Last fourth line
11.
from the bottom, my lord.
Yes.
The weight of the empty medium polythene B 3.85 gram, including the weight of polythene. The weight of empty medium polythene is 0.35 gram. So the net weight of brown sugar is 3.5 gram, which is marketed.
Where are you reading?
Page 11, madam.
11, I am there. 11.
Page 11, last.
Acha, on weightment.
Yes, ma'am.
Of the weight of the medium polythene packet containing brown sugar found from the exclusive and conscious possession of Janki Vallabh.
Very much.
You are Janki Vallabh?
Very much.
To 3.84 gram.
Including the weight of the polythene.
The weight of the empty medium polythene is shown so.
Thereafter, my lord, another Prashant Kumar Nayak, my lord.
How many of you are there?
Two have been added as an accused.
Two accused persons.
Two accused.
So for this present case is concerned.
Janki.
Yes, ma'am.
You are for Janki.
And the Prasanna Nagar 3.35 gram, including the weight of.
But there are two cases today.
No, ma'am.
No, no.
Only Janki.
This is the
And,
one case.
I am for.
And 37 is a bar, even if accepting 37 is a bar.
No.
Yes, my lord. You cannot escape from 37.
Kindly.
If the
Constitution is there, and I am only on this. He is already accused in Brown.
That is the main.
That is the judgment of this honorable court also. Kindly have a glance.
What judgment will do?
Okay.
Facts, do you have any more case or not?
No,
Dealing with bound
what
property.
happened, my lord? What they are showing that until.
See, I am lenient in so far ganja and consent, but brown sugar I am very.
Yes, ma'am. Kindly have a glance.
At least.
This
Fair
is
Orissa, but
my
this
lord,
is very dangerous.
my lord, what happened actually? In the case, Shahrukh Ali Khan is the main culprit.
That's true.
And 250 gram has been seized from his possession, not my possession, man. I was not on the spot. Only basis on the statement of the
In that case.
principal. Yes, ma'am.
With that cases. I also knew it, my lord. Because that case also I was conducting that case. And this is a gang, just a team.
I know.
They were distributing the brown sugar.
Police
Admittedly, he was not at the spot.
But actually, what happened, my lord? I am clarifying the scenario.
File the judgment next.
This
Place
is
it on.
15.
Huh? 15. No, list it on 90.
37 is not a bar. It is
File
to it.
File that judgment. I'll see.
Yes.
90. 19. See. 53. And you file the antecedent out.
Let go.
No,
You have to subtract it.
But I move college to see. But
government
will clear picture tax. They have taken up.
He will do his job. Don't worry.
Yes.
You also do your job.
But they are taking instruction that regarding antecedent in the CD also it is there, my lord. One antecedent.
The other FIR where you are the accused, that also you file.
That FIR also I file.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lord?
Don't bring it in the court and show me. Then again I'll add them. Okay.
I will
file everything. File. Yes. Next.
May I please, Your Lord?
Yes,
Last
please.
occasion I have submitted, my lord, this petitioner. He was arrested in connection with another case in PS case number 243. It is also in the running page 12 of the, and last occasion Your Lordship was mentioned in the order. He was arrested in another case, and in that case I confess that I have also indulged in this case. And only Your Lordship wanted to know regarding the whether charge sheet has been submitted or not. My lord, I have obtained the copy of the charge sheet. Charge sheet has been submitted, my lord, on 24 January 2024. My lord, charge sheet has been submitted, and this petitioner, he is arrested. He was arrested in a prosecution case is that some person sent into the bank, my lord, LIC officer, and they snatched away some money from a mobile phone and my lord, cash of rupees 44,000 and so on. And from another person, 5,000 like that. The FIR was registered against unknown person.
Mr. Maharaj, apart from confessional statement, what else is there?
Well, last occasion, not it was adjourned for the whether charge sheet has been filed or not. Only it was adjourned. Your Lordship Director, what are the specific allegations so far the petitioner is concerned?
Yes.
Subject to correction of
Yes.
Now,
what are the further
now the
material-
question is, my lord, the petitioner was arrested, no doubt, in connection with
Some other case.
PS case number 243.
243.
No, 108.
No, 243. I was
But
arrested.
he was arrested on
Another case.
yes, my lord, 243 of 2023, where he has confessed, and not only the confession, he was leading to discovery of the tire and the mauser and also the Bujali, my lord. That is the seizure. So, and admitting that he was, along with his associate, committed the present case, where the tire and the cash has been stolen from the
How much?
44,000, 44,000 some odd, and along with the tower.
Along with
Tire.
tire.
But the tire shop
Achha.
by showing the gun and other.
Apart from these two, how many cases you have?
My lord, giving my lord in step of memo, my lord, in the rejection order,
it has been mentioned the 4 cases. Apart from these 4 cases there, and in original cases, my lord, 243 are mentioned in serial number 4. That is, my lord, this honorable court has rejected. But in another
What are
case,
the offences you have not written?
pardon, I have mentioned, my lord. In first case,
Yoda
379, he was granted bail. In
379.
380 case, he was also granted bail by this honorable court.
Similar cases, 392, 379, 380.
Including this case, 5 cases. 5 cases, my lord. In original case, he was arrested and 4 cases remanded. In all cases, out of 3 remanded cases, he has been granted bail, one by this honorable court, another by the court below, 2 by the court below.
And all the 4 cases you are on bail.
No, in 3 cases. Total 5টা case ru, eta ko misele 5টা. Jota original case ta, setara, this honorable court has turned down my application. After examination of the witness, I have mentioned in the BLAPL number, I have given
Then
reference.
in any case, you can't come out.
That is that. But so far, what is the material in this?
Same order I am passing, examination.
Yes.
Pardon?
After
After examination of that
What-
witness.
Let me, my lord, explain. What is the material against me? I was arrested in that case. I confessed in that case in reference to that, and it is in the appended in the charge sheet that I confessed in that case. That has been in that case.
Not only
What is
confess, confess leading
Yes,
to
yes,
discovery.
Given recovery, I am saying.
Simply not confessing.
In the charge sheet is also
So that
mentioned.
evidence will be taken note
Sir,
of so
sir,
far
let
this
me-
present case is
Say,
concerned.
even if I grant bail, it is neither here nor there. You
Yes.
That is
Yes.
different.
I'll
What
grant
is the
bail,
material?
condition
My
that
confession.
If he is released, he will attend the police station.
Yes.
At least let him have the satisfaction of paper bail. Not come out. Kind of. The petitioner was arrested in PS case number
243, serial number 4, my lord.
where he has confessed, huh?
243 of 2023.
Yeah, 243
Of
PSK, Joda PS case number 243 of 2020.
23.
3.
Yes.
Under section 394 or 397 IPC.
And 25, 27
arms.
arms.
Huh?
And
25 arms. While in custody, he alleged to have confessed that he has committed the offense which is alleged in the present FIR. The present next paragraph. The petitioner is now
Remanded in this case.
the petitioner has been remanded in the present case, namely
29/9/2020.
Champua PS case number 108 of 2023.
Yes.
Under section 450, 342 and 395 IPC read with the 25 and 27 of arms. The letter counsel for the petitioner submits that in the deference to the confessional statement, in the confessional statement of the accused, he has been apprehended in this case presently. Mr. Maharaja, appeal for the state submits that apart from the confessional statement, the disclosure leading to evidence, disclosure leading to recovery of the
Country-made pistol
country-made pistol
along with the tires,
along with the stolen material.
materials and rupees. Money.
Rupees and rupees 44,000.
40 out of 44, only 4,300 rupees.
4,000. Guarantor the will is granted. However, since the petitioner is already in relation to FIR number PS Joda PS case number 243 of 23, more likely he may not be released from the custody. In the event he gets the bail in the said case and is released on bail, he shall be appearing before the IO or Champa.
No, Gochapada PS. Oh, sorry. Champua PS. Yes.
Champua PS every Sunday for a period of week. Okay. Yes.
54.
The petitioner filed this bail application before the charge sheet filed. In the meantime, charge sheet has been filed, my lord.
Cities, there are 104 kg ganja.
My lord, the petitioner is taking liberty, my lord, to move before the learned court below.
Yes, ma'am.
104 kg. Yes.
55.
May I please? Yes. The case of 302 million. Chastity undertaking done 6923.
CD.
Yes.
Yes.
Here the petitioner is the grandson of the son who has died by means of assault by the petitioner who was abusing her wife in the filthy language and trying to malign outrage and modesty. Grandfather is the deceased, son is the grandson. In every time the grandfather is being intoxicated, taking liquor, usually harassing the petitioner's wife, and also outraging her modesty and trying to abuse her in filthy language. They are on the day of the incident happened, the deceased in the house.
Daughter-in-law.
The petitioner is the grandson.
Grandson
of
the deceased.
The deceased.
Okay.
Of the deceased.
Daughter-in-law of the deceased.
And the deceased used to misbehave his wife.
His wife.
And on that occasion, on that particular day, the victim, who is in this case, she has stated elaborately that I have been insulted by my grandfather-in-law, and on that, by looking that situation, my husband came and assaulted brutally, and he was killed on the. So he has died on the spot. That is the yes. And there is no dispute about.
Assault by?
By assault by you tangia
and stick, the
stick. Tangia and stick. That is
custody since?
Custody since since 25/5/23.
Informant. Who is informant?
The father of the petitioner. And also she has stated with the Ramchandra Mahapur Millard. ଗତକାଲି 24 ସମୟରେ ଆମ ଘରେ ଥିବା ସମୟରେ ମୋର ବାପା ଧନରାମ ମହାକୁଳ ମୋର ବହୁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ ମହାକୁଳ ଅବଧାର ଗାଳି ଗୁଲଜ କରି ମୋର ପୁଅ ନବୀନ ମହାକୁଳ ରାଗି ଯାଇ ଘର ବାହାରେ ପଡିଥିବା କେନ୍ଦୁବାଡି ଗୋଟାଏ ମୋ ବାପାଙ୍କୁ କେନ୍ଦୁବାଡିରେ ବହୁତ ଜୋରେ ମାଡ ମାରିଲା, ତଳେ ପଡିଗଲା। ମୁଁ ଆମ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଭୟରେ ଥାନାରେ ଆସି ଜଣେଇଲୁ। The one statement I am reading, Millard.
Victim stated that ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ ମହାକୁଳ 24/5/2023 ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ପ୍ରାୟ 7 ଘଣ୍ଟା ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ଘରେ ଥିବା ସମୟରେ ମୋର ଅଜା ଧନୁରାମ ମହାକୁଳ ଡିସିଜ୍ଡ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଆସି ମୋତେ ଖରାପ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ମୋ
2 weeks time agile. 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time.
He pray for 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time.
56 items. May I please, your lordship? Here, my lord, in a private car, my lord, the present petitioner is the occupant of that car, my lord, and seized by the excise department, my lord, found 51 kg. Here, my lord, charge sheet filed. Final PR has been filed. Your lordship may kindly have glanced final PR. Page 10. Place of occurrence, my lord, at Sasan Toolgate, under Sasan Toolgate. Thereafter, your lordship may come witnesses, my lord.
Where is that? Where are you reading?
Page 10, your lordship got. Thereafter, my lord, column, your lordship may see. First, accused persons, occupants. Thereafter, my lord, these are, my lord, quantity. Three, got it? There are column, my lord, table. Here, your lordship may peruse, my lord. Your lordship may peruse the name and address of the witnesses. Only 3 witnesses. Out of them, my lord, 2 are official and another is an independent witness.
Then good. You will be acquitted.
My lord?
Good that you will be acquitted.
My lord.
Wait.
For that reason, I am praying for bail on. As because of this false implication. In view of section 51 of.
There are less number of witnesses. Therefore, you say that it's a false.
That means, my lord, the contraband seized is with a malafide intention without oblige the mandatory provision of the law, my lord. They have such.
How it is not done.
My lord.
That may be the case.
Your lordship may see section 51 of NDPS Act.
CD nahi, CD is not. No.
CD nahi?
No.
CD on. CD. Yes. 58.
When it has been, my lord, short date kindly. As because there are 3 witnesses and it is not linked.
It's good that 3 witnesses. Trial will be over now.
In view of Supreme Court, now the trial will be linger, must go slow.
24
trial
must 24
Which judgment says must go slow?
Go slow. It about 24 case ta.
हाँ बोला
Atale.
हाँ 24
Adare kuda
Supreme Court say the trial should go slow.
No, bail matters also. Oh, when it has been adjourned next week, my lord. Because the excise department are not giving the case diary, my lord.
No, not that. You will get it.
You have already filed your PR.
Yes.
If you want to argue, you go on arguing. I am here without CD. I am ready. You show the provision which has been violated.
22nd.
22nd.
Yes,
Why
next.
you put a manuscript in the water?
Next 58.
Adare kona chi?
May I please, my lord. My lord, petitioner is in custody 28/3/23. The total ganja is recovered from 114 kilo.
114.
Now, he's outsider. He's not the involvement. He's the only passenger in this vehicle. When the police detained the car and it was recovered from the backside of the key.
You were occupying the car. You were there.
No, I am the passenger and that.
114 kg, 400 gram ganja.
200 gram.
Outside.
And, you were in the same car where
Yes, yes.
conscious position.
Yes, conscious position.
Conscious position. What is the position?
Investigation is going on.
Going on.
Yes, yes.
Then renew your prayer after.
After charge sheet is filed, your lordship made it.
The recovery is up.
114 kg, 300 gram, 400 gram. Sorry.
My lord, in annexure 1, page 14, on personal search, nothing could be found.
You will not get 100 kilo
A packet of
it will be there in the plea after the charge sheet is filed.
Yes.
Charge sheet file ହେଇଛି
ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆମ ପାଖରେ କିଛି
Vice-
you move after charge sheet. ତଳେ କୋଠୁ move କରିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ charge sheet.
Where is the charge sheet? You have the charge sheet with you.
I have a charge sheet.
ଅଛି?
ହଁ,
କେବେ
ଦେଖିବ।
charge sheet date ମୋ
Oh,
ପାଖରେ
simply adjourn bro. File the charge sheet with you.
ଅଛି ତ ଆପଣ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
File the
Vice
charge sheet.
sheet.
File the-
କପି ଗୋଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ହଁ ଦେଇଦେବି ଆପଣ ଦେଶ କରି ଦେଇଦେବି
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ସାର୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍
First we'll give it.
Huh?
First we'll give it.
Yes, yes.
59. Yes. 59.
May I please?
Yes.
The last occasion, Lordship has called for the case diary, my lord. 457, 395.
Sector.
ଘରେ ପଶିକି ସୁନା ଚେନ୍, ମଙ୍ଗଳସୂତ୍ର, ସୁନା ଚୁଡ଼ି, ସୁନା କାନଫୁଲ, ପାଉଁଜି ଏଟା ନେଇଗଲେ ବୋଲି ଆଣିଲେ। Charge sheet already filed.
How many cases you have?
I don't have any case, my lord. The petitioners are inside custody since the date of their arrest, that is on 15/12/2023. Charge sheet already filed, my lord, and all are young boys, my lord, of 20 years.
Yes.
Lordship, may kindly give me a short date for obtaining the CD. I have not received it. The bail order of the lower court says that the Aadhaar card and ankle bracelet were found in their possession.
Yes.
And on that ground, the bail was denied. The cases of dacoity. So I shall obtain it this week, my lord, because letter was sent, but the CD hasn't come.
1890.
My lord. Obliged.
But the young people,
20, 22 years old, my lord.
I'm thinking,
if the antecedent are not there, then 90.
60.
Yes, may I please your lordship. My lord, this is a modification petition, my lord. There is a direction by the honorable court to the learned court bill for verification of his antecedent. My lord, prior to at the time of hearing in the learned court bill, the already the antecedent has been verified, and the same has been reflected in the rejection order. And also, my lord, there is a comprehensive affidavit that has been filed in this case.
No, what correction you need?
My lord, the direction may kindly reconsider, sir.
What do you want? I couldn't follow you.
My lord, there is a direction to verify the similar attitude of the petitioner.
Yes.
My lord, there is already verified because the attitude has been already mentioned in the rejection order.
Verified, then you will get it. These are the bail conditions. I gave the bail, and the trial court will verify and give you release you. What is the modification about it?
My lord, I have already filed the.
So all right, let the trial court do it.
My lord, the Lord and Court will did not release.
That's a different story.
I gave the bail, still you want modification. The only possible modification, I'll reject it. Sir, do you want, I reject it, you are not happy with the bail?
my lord.
What are you, why are you wasting time? The people are languishing in jail and bail is granted, again you want modification. Go and tell all these things to trial court, reject it.
My lord,
Application rejected.
my lord.
No, I will impose court, I will recall the order.
Sorry.
Don't create problem for others.
Sorry.
Unnecessary
May I pardon to
application for modification rejected. Yes. Yes.
May I pardon to mention, my lord, in item 38 and 40, the case has been pending in the Court of Session, my lord, a case has been committed. While I'm filing this case has been pending before the JMFC Khondapara Lordship. In the meantime, case has been
Saying
committed.
that in the meantime committed to Court of Sessions. Your lordship, usually you're started.
I don't know who has taken the, any time you can get in and say something. Who has taken dictation?
All the orders, your lordship directly.
Trial court,
Trial
court to go.
Seizure over matter.
Maintain some sanctity of the High Court. Not jump some in between and say something.
Sorry, Lordship.
And your lordship usual order.
Yes, I know that.
The court will carry out the order.
I know because I can't trust the pleading. They write some other court, some FIR, anything they can write. So therefore, I use the word lower court or court will. Because invariably you will find copy paste. GR case is different, PS case is different, court is different. So many things are happening.
Okay.
Anyway, let's go. Next. Yes, shall I come up just 5 minutes? 5 minutes.
Normal. The petitioner here, you challenge the order dated 29/9/2022 for taking cognizance, my lord. Cognizance order, my lord.
You find it.
Yes, my lord, today file the registry, my lord, prefer next week.
Yes.
Today, just now.
Let it come. Next 2, 3.
Hello?
He'll give a date. Yes.
Okay. Items we may pay for 2 weeks after, my lord.
Okay.
Oh, bless.
Item 4. Insurance by paid for an adjournment.
So, file.
4 also.
Item 5. Item 5, my lord. I have appeared after obtaining no objection from the previous council. My name has not been reflected on 2nd February 2024.
What do you want?
Sir, kindly pass over the matter.
Item 7. May please. And this is a case, my lord. At page 19, my lord. The order of I am telling the order of cognizance because of under 138 of the NI Act, the cognizance has been taken, my lord. But during pendency of the case, my lord,
You are the accused.
I am the accused, my lord. I am the accused, but I am admittedly have not received the amount because I am a guarantor, my lord. And at page 44, my lord, it is a fact, my lord, during the course of the hearing, it is admitted by the complainant. It is a fact that I have not paid the money to the person.
Very that. 44.
Page 44, my lord. Page 44, paragraph 9, my lord. It is a fact that I have not
paid the money to.
I have not paid. It is a fact that I have not paid the money to the Ashok Biswal. Ashok Biswal is the present petitioner, my lord. So that as he was the guarantor, my lord, and accordingly one affidavit was made, that is annexure 3 as page 22, my lord. Page 22. Page 22. Paragraph 6, my lord. That I am the deponent of the affidavit. Deponent means that is the opposite party to is the complainant of the case, my lord. I am the deponent of this affidavit and informant of the case. I do not want to proceed further with the case. So my respectful submission would be, since as I am a guarantor on behalf of my nephew on that, so that there is a transaction between them while my nephew was in custody, he has deposited all the amount that was admitted by the same.
I'll issue notice, let us see.
My lord.
Issue notice. It is arising out of 138.
My lord.
And I guess, let us see. Yes.
Item 8.
Your Lordship, 2 matters have come. Your Lordship has been pleased to refer it to mediation.
Yes.
Now, mediation, it has been decided that both the parties, they have decided to put an end to all the litigations. Your Lordship may kindly see the mediation report. That is there, Your Lordship. My Lord, in mediation report, it is agreed that previously one criminal case was filed, that is to be withdrawn. That I have already agreed also on long back that it is to be withdrawn. The present case agreed to be disposed of on mutual consent. I have no objection, Your Lordship. Your Lordship may kindly see point number 4.
Both the cases can be disposed of.
Earlier case is not there for Your Lordship. Earlier case we have agreed since long that let it be disposed of. To that effect, there is settlement and we are no more proceeding with that matter. The present case, Your Lordship, that is point number 2. Lakshmi Sagar PS case number 182 by 2023. PS case number 182 by 2023. That the present case with Your Lordship.
What about this
PS case that we have agreed that we are not interested, let it be disposed of.
Where is that?
That agreement was earlier.
That was allowed.
That is a settlement between the parties. I am the informant. So I have agreed that because of the...
File any petition for that?
I have not filed. They are the accused. Opposite parties are accused persons.
Your Lordship, that has not been filed. That has not been challenged.
Don't want to file that.
Yes, Your Lordship. We are just acquiring the copy of the, since it is an old case, Your Lordship, we are acquiring the copy of the FIR along with the required documents to challenge.
What required document? You have settled now. Get the FIR, file it.
Only the FIR, Your Lordship, is incomplete.
You file that also. Let it be listed, all the matters.
Obliged.
It can be disputed.
Why unnecessary?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have agreed. Only one point. Your Lordship may kindly see point number 4.
4.
There was a family settlement between the parties. They agreed and put their hand on 10/7/2022. Now that settlement original, the copy is there as per point 5 with the opposite part number 5, which they have agreed to file in the civil court. That we all have signed, and that copy is there with
What is wrong?
let them file. That is my.
File it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Both the parties are bound by the settlement.
So let them
You
file it.
File insofar as 170 is concerned.
Yes, Your
You
Lordship.
file it. I am reaching it on when 15.
No, Your Lordship may kindly list it any date after 28, because on
28th.
28 the civil court proceeding is there. So let them file it in the civil court only.
Will take care of this.
No, my prayer is not that the civil court will accept it and act upon it. My only prayer is that let them file. Even they can advance.
While watching both the FIR, I will record their statement and dispose it. Come file it or come on.
Let them bring the original before Your Lordship there.
15.
15, Your Lordship.
Let them bring that original before Your Lordship. Yes, sir.
Your Lordship, I'm filing the power in the first case that my learned.
Power is, you take it on. File on 15th.
Yes. The
File 480.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
10/7/2022 agreement, let it be produced before Your Lordship on that day. Obliged.
Obliged.
Nine.
Lordship, on item 9 and 6 for an adjournment, Your Lordship.
And then
That's why I'm challenging the order dated 27th February 2022. Cognizance order, Your Lordship. So, Lordship, the fact of the case is that on 13th September 2028, Your Lordship, there are two separate events on the Baleshwar railway station, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, on that day, 54 some persons come to strike out a train which was comes to the Howrah, Your Lordships.
Inside and prohibited the stations area and gave different provocate slogans. You criminal force, collected stones, broke the glasses of the train, and deterred the duty of railway staff and discharging their duties, my lord. And then
let's not be complete, my lord. They are up to.
right, all right, all what is wrong in copy?
I come to that point, Your Lordships. Second event is that the present petitioners comes on the railway stations. He's working as an advocate, Your Lordships, on 11:30 p.m. to see of his relatives. On that time, he saw that the IIC Sukhdev police stations drag a old man by holding a gamcha his neck, and he requests to IIC Sukhdev police station, IIC to carry him as per procedure of the law, not dragging him by that way. Thereafter, the police person accompanied with him assaulted the present petitioners, and present petitioner went to the GRP Baleshwar police station to lodge an FIR. They refused it. On that physical assaults, they go to the Baleshwar Medical College, Your Lordships. Thereafter, he sent his FIR through email as well as my lord's postal.
Same day or
14th September 2028, Your Lordships.
after how many days?
My lord, after 1 day, Your Lordships. It is even on the night of the 13th September. They have done on the 14th September, Your Lordships.
What time?
4:25, Your Lordships.
Why you have taken so much of time?
Your Lordships, he is on the medical, Your Lordships. The copy of the medicals is annexed on the FIR, which one is the email, Your Lordships.
What happened to your complaint?
Your Lordships.
What happened to your complaint?
Your complaint is, Lordships, yes, that's on that first case. They have a plain paper FIR is lodged by the SI of the GRP Baleshwar, Your Lordships. On that, they identify 4 persons, namely, and 50 other persons. On the time of the investigation, Your Lordships, kindly turn to the page 41, Your Lordships. The SDPO quarter, which is taking the investigation, Your Lordships. On that time, he issued notice as per the 41A CRPC, Your Lordships, with the 4 persons, which name is shown in the FIR, Your Lordships. No.
Anyway, but see, I'll tell you, these are the disputed facts to be ascertained. You may be correct, may not be correct. But at the cognizance stage, the 482 court will go into all these things, whether you are correct or not, whether you are there in the railway station or not?
Lordships, may I please say, the Lordships, no way is not corrected. No investigation against the, no notice issue against the present petitioner, Your Lordships. Thereafter, the name of the present petitioners come into the charge sheets, Your Lordships. Thereafter, they take in the communities. My humble prayer, the present petitioner is not anyway connected with the first case, Your Lordships.
How will I ascertain that?
Your Lordship, when the time of the investigations.
But I have to conduct a trial now, mini trial.
No, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in the charge sheet.
Why have you come?
Your Lordship, in charge sheet, it will be shown, Your Lordship. At page number 41, Your Lordship.
My lord, there is the chance of a charge frame, my lord.
Wrong, right, whatever. If it is wrong, it will be tested in the trial or someone else. But in the cognizant state 482 court, how can will interfere and give a verdict on that?
Your Lordship, on 2029, Your Lordship, on 2029.
Allegations are there against you, what to do, wrong, right, whatever. Maybe
Your Lordship, the Sahadat police station itself issue, I annex on page number 46, Your Lordship.
These are
No criminal antecedents in the
these are
present.
all defense, sir. These are all your defenses, but there are evidences against you in charge sheet. So therefore, cognizance has been taken.
Your Lordship, no investigation is made, so no.
Can't help you. That's the problem. You withdraw it with the liberty to raise all the points that they are right now. The petitioner has challenged the order dated 27/2/2022, 20, passed by the LGBM Baleshwar in PS case number 37 of 2018, whereby the court below has taken cognizance of the offense under section shown to in this one, annexure 1. Annexure 1. Thank you. The case is here, the major cognizance, the points raised by the petitioner cannot be adjudicated at this stage. Therefore, the liberty to the petitioner to raise all the points that they should say, the petitioner. We raised all the points. Yeah.
Let me give us. This is your own case in the year of 2001. Case had arisen from a matrimonial dispute in between the husband and the wife. In the meantime, divorce was decreed. But in the year of 2023, petitioner got summoned from the London court below regarding one criminal case is pending before the London court below.
I'll issue notice because matrimonial dispute divorce has been granted.
My lord.
She might have lost it and forgotten it.
I am obliged.
Divorce is granted. She have filed the FIR sometime.
Yes.
The process is going on. Since divorce is granted, she is not bothered.
Right.
Let us issue notice. Meantime, the proceedings before the court also stay.
Yes. Obliged.
The arising out of a matrimonial dispute, the London Council of Petitioners submits that the informant and the petitioner have already got separated and obtained divorce. However, the criminal case initiated by the opposite party number 2, opposite party number 2 is still going on. Therefore, he seeks indulgence of this court. Meanwhile, stay. Next. Well,
Your Lordship, on behalf of Mr. P.K. Paddy, the matter may be adjourned.
Adjourned.
Your Lordship, interim order was sent.
Interim order to continue.
My lord, this is reliance is finally challenging the NVW order passed by Learned Edition Baleshwar.
You are on bail?
I am on bail.
Tell me the date.
My lord?
Date, when you got the bail?
On 4/7/2014, I was arrested and forwarded and subsequently released on bail.
ठीक है NBW 14/12 1000 cost. Yes.
500.
Yes. Next. So
14
we
Lordship.
on or before 15. Hmm?
14 Lordship, I am on bail.
Yes, 14.
14 Lordship NBW was issued. I am on bail. The order is 10th of April 2018.
Bail.
Bail Lordship.
When?
10th of April 2018.
10th April 2018, NBW issued
Issued, my lord, 8th of March 2022.
500. Yes.
15. My lord, I am on bail. My lord, NBW issued against me on 1923, my lord.
Bail date you.
My lord, on 29 4/23, my lord.
I think 20% amount has not been paid. It's very something to correct some point.
Yes, my lord, that is that.
You go and do whatever. 29?
4/23, my lord.
29, 4, 23 bail. NBW 1923, 500. Go and appear and get remedy.
Obliged, my lord.
60.
I am filing high wrongly.
Hmm?
Interim application I am filing today.
Now, what is this? What are you still
here? This is for pursuing the proceeding on the ground that for self-same cause of action there cannot be two criminal proceeding. My lord knows the TT Anthony case starting from TT Anthony to 2023.
No, very self-same.
Yes, if you also will find calendar, see Annexure 2, page 23.
Annexure 2, okay.
Annexure 2, page 23.
5522.
Yes, 5522.
What are the allegations?
In fact, Lord, wife left the matrimonial house voluntarily and she was detected in the bus stand. Husband and wife both are returning to the house. On the way, they met an accident. There is a she sustained some injuries. There she was admitted in the hospital. She recovered. After 7 months, she lodged an FIR under section 498A-307.
Oh, wow. Self-same. How you say self-same?
Stating that, yes, stating that this is not a case of accidental injury.
But 498 is a different offense altogether. Mental code.
Oh, 490, I am not in concern with 498A. I am concerned with 307. I am concerned with 307.
No, the FIR, which FIR? Annexure 1.
Annexure 1. Annexure 1. Annexure 1.
323 506 34.
Okay. I am concerned with 307. I am not concerned with 498A.
Very 307.
Yes, your lordship, kindly see.
Charge sheet is filed in 307.
On 4/5/2022, kindly see page 21. This is the incident she has indicated in the FIR. 4/5/2022 दिन सासु स्वामी थिबा समय मु लुचि करी कोरापुट जोरापुन बापा घर को आसिया पई विशाखापट्टनम बस स्टैंड मतलब
Where are you reading?
that page 21.
21.
9th line from bottom. 9th line from bottom.
Okay. Here.
That's stating from 4/5/2022. From bottom 9th line, can you see? ଗତ 4/5/2022 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ଶାଶୁ ଓ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ନଥିବା ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ଲୁଚି କରି କୋରାପୁଟ ବାପା ଘରକୁ ଆସିବା ପାଇଁ ବିଶାଖାପାଟଣା ବସ୍ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡରେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା ସମୟରେ ମୋ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ସେଠାକୁ ଆସି ବାଡେଇକି ଘରକୁ ନେବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଲେ ମୁଁ ମନା କଲି ସେଠାରେ ମୋ ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ବାଡେଇ ଦେଲେ ତାପରେ 7 Hill ହସ୍ପିଟାଲରେ ମୁଁ ଆଡମିଟ ହୋଇଥିଲି ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଦି occurrence for which 307 has been implicated.
It's not an accident.
Again?
You are beaten. It's not an accident.
This is a case of beaten. That's why I am referring page 22, page 23. FIR which was lodged before the Malkapuram police station, where alleged incident was occurred on 4/5/2022. Mala got it?
Yes.
On 4/5/2022, this is an accidental injury she sustained for which she was admitted in the hospital. Kindly see the statement in Visakhapatnam that
Who has given this FIR?
It's the investigation stage of what she has stated. Kindly see that Malkapuram case.
No. Who is the author of this FIR?
But,
23.
one of the friend, because since it is a medicology case, unless FIR is registered.
You want to say that you have beaten your wife.
No, that is the FIR allegations.
Admitted in the 7 hospital. You say that whether and she given a FIR subsequently saying that I was not beaten, I met with the next day.
No, prior to that, this is the FIR on 5/5/2022. On the basis of accidental injury, there was an FIR on 5/5/2022. Subsequently, she lodged an FIR Annexure 1 that is on 14/12/2022, indicating that I assaulted her on 4/5/2022.
Maybe separate two incidents. You can't relate that to that.
That kindly see the statement. Her statement, kindly see that I am passing over her statement. That in Malkapuram case. That's why I have said. Say specifically stated and that case has been closed.
My husband left home without my interest. My husband, so go to the the same day, that is 4/5.
4/5.
But see, whatever, this is the cognizance say, you argue on charge. Why I investigate into all these things?
No, investigation has already been closed.
But
I waited till completion of investigation.
Has been taken, you are relying upon some document. And
No, that is the public document, not I am relying.
Maybe public, maybe private.
Yes.
These are defenses. In the cognizance stage, you want me to go into everything and pass a judgment about you regarding an acquitting or whatever, discharging, whatever. Why unnecessary?
No, my lord. If 307 will go, kindly consider
why can't you tell the charge code?
No, why I have come.
Why can't you tell the charge code?
My lord?
When the charge is framed, you say that charge can't be framed because this is the story. Cognizance, why should I?
Yes, that is
I'm giving you liberty.
Opportunity is there to make.
I'm giving you that liberty.
But so far as 307 is concerned, if 307 will
giving
go,
you that liberty.
my lord knows the.
That's right, but generally, cognizance says don't allow me money. Don't.
All right. This is one aspect. I got your.
And you say that 498A, 323 is now 307.
307 tribal way master. I am not. Yes. My lord, this is one aspect. The second aspect you will also have kindly see that order dated 10/10/2023, page 46. Page 46, you also can see. 46.
Okay. I'm on that page. Okay.
My lord got it. Order dated 10/10/2023.
Yes. Accused person's name.
Yes. Here, cognizance was taken. Your lordship, next, your lordship kindly see.
They were accused and he also filed the petition paying for time on the grounds of. Yes.
Next, 40, page 49.
Here on the they sought time only.
Yes, page 49.
No, 46 what happened?
Okay.
Associate joined Wakalatnama on behalf of the.
Yes, I appeared.
And I filed petition.
Yes, I saw that I appeared. Okay. Page 49.
49. 47.
The next date, that is 13/11/2023. I filed a petition. Region is unable to attend before this court because one of the relatives died and he is required to attend the funeral ceremony. On the very day, next order later on, The learned magistrate had issued non-bailable warrant of arrest.
Won't move application to extension.
My petition was rejected. The first, at best, bailable warrant, man, know the position of law. At best, bailable warrant of arrest should have been issued instead of a non-bailable warrant. Where the petitioner will go?
I see the NVW will cause go and appeal.
Yes.
Right now. The grievance of although the petitioner has challenged the order dated, which order date is that? Cognizance order.
Cognizance order, my lord, you will find from the
The petitioner has challenged the order dated 1 minute. Order is not any order, nothing.
yes, cognizance order 22/5/2023, page 44.
22/5/2023. Whereby the court below has taken cognizance of offense under this one. Okay. And accounts for the petitioner seeks to insert petitions to raise all the points and issues before the court below at the appropriate stage. At this stage, he submits that the court below has issued NBW against the petitioner on 13/11/2023 by rejecting the application of the petitioner for adjournment.
Time.
Adjournment on the ground that there is a bereavement in the family.
One of the relative has expired, that's why
there was a bereavement in the family. Bereavement. However, the trial court turned down the prayer and issued NBW on 13/11/2023. Taking into consideration the fact of this fact scenario of the case, I am of the view that the execution of the NBW issued on 13/11/2023 is kept in abeyance till 15th of April. 15th of April. In the meantime, the petitioner may surrender to the jurisdictional court and avail remedy under law. Yes. Yes. Next. 17.
Hello, this is a Belgium case, my lord. Petitioner was on bail on 19/11/2012, my lord. And NBW was issued on 25/8/2022.
500. 18.
18 my lord, Belgium matter, my lord. Petitioner is on bail, my lord. 6/8/2007, my lord. NBW issued on 9/9/2014, my lord.
9/9/2014. 14. How many of you were there? 1,000. 53. 19.
May I please, your Lordship?
Here in this case, my lord, the petitioner was granted anticipated bailment. Thereafter, my lord, no summons was issued. Then police submitted charge sheet, although my lord.
Anyway, NBW is issued, go and appear was.
NBW is issued.
You were on bail earlier.
Anticipated.
The petitioner was on anticipated bail. However, due to default in appearance in the court, NBW was issued on 11/3/2019 by the additional session judge, special judge Sundargarh in GR case number 302 up to 2030. Same order for the 1,000. Yes.
Okay. Item 20 on behalf of Mr. Amulya Panda, my lord. It is a bail jump matter, my lord. The petitioner was released on bail on 26/7/2017, my lord. And NBW was issued on 29/2021, my lord.
The 1,000.
Okay.
21.
My lord, Belgium matter, my lord. Petitioners were on bail, my lord. NBW issued on dated
12 bail date, give the date.
My lord.
When you got the bail?
9/5/2022. Petitioner were on bail, my lord. 9/5/22. And NBW issued on dated 12/12/2023.
23, my lord.
1,000, 500. Okay. Yes.
61.
May I please, your lordship? Item 61, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, this is an application under 482 CRPC to quash the GR case number 1279 of 2022, my lord. The alleged commission of an offence under section 143, 147, 294, 323, 353. My lord, the complaint was lodged by the Tahsildar, my lord. The villagers were protesting the land acquisition, which was for the ROV Digi project, my lord. And they had only gone for the grievances to be solved, and which was refused by the Tahsildar, my lord. There is no specific allegation against the petitioner, my
That's
lord.
right, investigation is still on.
Yes, my lord.
The date and time of FIR was 7/6/2022. Perhaps the investigation may be on. I just seek instructions in this.
Please, Nihil Pratap, appeal for the state, submit that we will be seeking instructions regarding the stage of the investigation. Yes, next.
62.
Yeah.
63.
Pardon me, my lord, item number 62, my lord. My lord, on last occasion, state.
62 I called, passed over, and now you are saying.
Sorry, pardon.
Yes.
My lord, on last occasion, state has taken time to take instruction regarding the DNA report, my lord.
Instructions have been come.
Awaiting instruction, adjournment. Yes.
63. 64.
As per your lordship, last order, my lord, notice has been issued to opposite parties, my lord. Notice to OP number 3, written unserved, my lord.
In fact, Lordship, here I have already appeared for OP1, the complainant in the court below, Lordship. It's arising out of 1CC case. And according to my instruction, Lordship, on 5th of March.
Why no? Notice were issued to all the.
But I am appearing for OP1 only, because he was the informant complainant in the court below. Case is arising out of a complaint case, Lordship. Now, as per my instruction, on 5th of March, the complainant had filed one withdrawal memo before the learned court below to withdraw that complaint application. But somehow or other, because the judge is in charge, he denied to entertain the application. That withdrawal memo is still pending with that learned court below. So what I submit, if Lordship will feel it proper, then Lordship may direct the concerned court below that the memo filed on 5th of March may be allowed, by which the complaint petition will be withdrawn, and there will be no case. Myself, I am the complainant in the court below. I haven't made party in this case. She is for petition, Lordship. Yes. I have the copy with the memo.
He is withdrawing that.
Yes. Because the judge in charge is not allowed. Because
who are these 2 and 3?
2 and 3, they are the co-accused persons in the complaint petition. They are the co-accused persons in the complaint petition. I am the complainant in the court below.
Okay.
Lordship, that you Lordship kindly see.
Right. Show me memo.
Lordship.
Right on. Mohan, you are Mohan, huh?
Mohan Malana. Mohan Malana.
Mohana?
Mohan Malana. Malana. He is the complainant in that court below matter. Once you see.
Right on. Opposite party number 1 had filed the 1CC case number 02 of 2022 against the petitioner and opposite party number 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Alleging the offense under section.
Offenses, that is, there are a number of offenses, let's see. Basically, it is a case of 420.
P7
alleging offense under section
379 of OPID Act, read with section 406 and 420 IPC.
428. IPC. You moved it, huh?
Yes, the complainant had moved it.
Consequently, the opposite party number 2 submits that
Opposite party number
his
2.
client being the complainant in the ICC case number 2 of 2022 had moved an application before the court below for withdrawing the complaint case.
That's it.
Withdrawing the complaint case. The application is pending before the court below. The copy of this application is photocopy of the application is taken in view of the fact that the complainant himself has moved an application for seeking withdrawal of the complaint against the petitioner and opposite party number 2 and 3. Opposite party and 3. The present petition seeking quashing of the entire proceedings. Deserves merit, deserves merit, accordingly is allowed. The proceeding arising out of 1 CC case number 2 of 2020 was.
Is quas. No, there is no cause of action for this application. CLMC is become infectious.
Therefore, there is no cause of action to maintain this petition in view of the application.
Agent CLMC application.
Application moved by the informant before the court below. Accordingly, this petition is disposed of with the direction to the court below to decide the said application.
The judge in charge, because the concerned judge in
court below
expired he the original PO.
The court below I have written.
Lordship, because he is not entertaining. That is the whole reason.
Court below. Okay.
Grateful, Lordship.
Yes. Disposed of. 65.
Wait, please, Your Lordships. So, modification of order, Your Lordships. In the order dated 8/2/2024, the name of the petitioner has been wrongly mentioned.
Vinod Pradhan.
Yes, it is Pradhan, P-A-D-H-A-N. It has become referred as P-R-A-D-H-A-N. So, there's an R extra added, as well as in para number 1 and para 4, Lordships.
Pradhan.
Again.
Pradhan.
Again. That is one. And dear Lordships, the other one is para number 1 and para number 4. The GR case number has been referred to as Bolangir's PS case number 121 of 2027 instead of 2017. Para number 1, second line.
Have you written anywhere wrongly anything?
No, Your Lordships. My application I've rechecked. My application is not wrong, Your Lordships.
Pradhan. Names are Pradhan only.
My name is correct. So also the case number, Your Lordships. In the cost title, Your Lordship will find it.
Even if you have written wrongly, 27 can't be, obviously.
Lordships, that
at least some application of mine should be there. By my staff, I'm not.
Presupposing that I'll be convicting at that time. It's a typographical error, Lordships. It's not.
See, it is humanly not possible to check everything, you know.
I
so we have to depend upon the
Lordship
staff.
It is a
if
typographical.
Support staff keep on doing, then applications are coming. That's the idea to.
At least we have to chance to appear before your Lordship, even if it's a modification.
Then it stands corrected.
Lordships.
Okay.
67.
My parents-in-law are before your Lordship seeking quashing of proceeding.
on the ground that the husband has mother-in-law.
Parents.
Yes, no.
Where is the acquittal order?
Acquittal order is improved order is annexure 2, annexure 3.
3.
Starts from page 25 to 36.
You were absconding, both of you.
Not absconding. Yes, parents-in-law, they live in the village, but they have been shown as a.
Show me what are the ground.
Running page 31 of the judgment.
Come to 31.
Internal page 7.
Yes.
But in this case, absolutely there is no evidence to suggest that Sujata was subjected to any torture or cruelty in lieu of demand of dowry. So the prosecution has failed to show that the deceased was subjected to any type of torture or cruelty for demand of any dowry, and torture or cruelty were soon before her death. Considering the evidence.
302 was also there.
304 part B. They faced 498, 304B, 302, 201, 34, and 4 DP. Page 31, running page 31. Internal page of the judgment is 7.
32, just,
then
read 32, page 32.
Then 32. As regards to the allegation of 302 IPC, the prosecution can prove such as either by direct evidence or by circumstantial evidence. In this case, there is no direct evidence against the accused to hold him liable for the death of Sujata. No circumstance has been brought on the record to complete a chain so as to reach to an irrespective conclusion.
Let's read, complete the chain.
Again.
So as to reach to an irresistible conclusion.
Irresistible conclusion that
it is the accused who has killed Sujata.
Who has killed Sujata and none else.
None else.
First of all, there is no material on record to hold that the death of Sujata is a homicidal one. No doubt, Sujata died due to burn injury. The witness examined by the prosecution have not stated that just before the fire, the accused was found near Sujata or proximate to the burning of Sujata. Sujata was in the house of this.
What about the in-laws? They were there in the spot.
No. Then your lordship, I have also.
Who all were present in the spot?
Nobody was there. The entire evidence also I have filed under annexure 4 series.
No, this line is creating problem for you. In the acquittal order, it says that conclusion that it is the accused who has killed Sujata and none else.
Yes.
Whether none else is there or not, that has to be tested.
Then of para 7, the last line, there is no material to suggest that the death was a homicidal one. No liability can be fixed on the accused. So the charger. Hence the acquittal. Then your lordship may kindly see, kindly come to running page 39. It is the evidence of, sorry.
39.
Running page, the informant is my father.
Who is the informant? The
informant is PW.
Father of the deceased.
Yes, his evidence is at the informant is my neighbor. Informant's evidence is at third page 47. 47. 37.
14.
No, sorry. Page at page 37. I am the informant of the case. My name is Karuna.
No, that is what I am wondering. He is very confidently showing this page. He is preparing now.
He has a good case, but in fact,
just check it up because their father-in-law, mother-in-law, and there is no evidence. Why these people will suffer?
Rather the evidence.
Just you assist me. I am putting that quasi. If there
rather
is anything very specific coming against them, then they will have to face it. Right? If nothing is coming against them, the husband is acquitted, and why to, the old parents,
Specific material against them. I shall
just take it and tell.
that is at page 41.
I have
For
your job I am giving him. Then you are not.
No, সেদিন লিখে দিয়েছেন
Anyway,
while cooking food in the
14th time keeping, but you are not convincingly arguing. You have a good thing. Nikhil will do it.
No, there,
14th, you just tell me so that we'll watch it. If anything very glaring is coming against them, then it's a different story. If it doesn't come on record, then we'll watch.
14th.
14th. Yes.
68.
National Vigilance. Adjournment.
69. 69, 70. 69, 70 after.
69, 70. Yes. Adjournment.
After lodgement.
This is a hearing matter. I'll adjourn it. We'll see. Because today it may not be possible. You can go to solve it. Next. 69, 70.
71.
Yes.
71, my lord, I have filed the counter today, my lord.
Yes, your lordships. Lordship, may kindly come to section 19 of the PC Act for a moment.
71.
Right, but he has filed the counter today.
I don't want to see the counter, your lordship. I'm ready with the arguments. It's okay.
71, my lord.
Availability?
My lord, 71. The matter may be posted to April 4th or any day. An advocate from the Supreme Court will appear in this matter, my lord.
Your lordship, this application can be disposed of first. This 2023.
Pause.
Both the matters will be argued on the same day, my lord.
Yes,
it may be posted.
Which one you are talking about?
There are two connected
There are
matters, my
two
lord.
connected
71?
matters. 71.
There are two connected matters, my lord.
Yes.
One is, my lord, 2909 of 2022, and the second one is, my lord, 896 of 2023.
Okay.
Lordships, last 2 dates, they have taken time on the pretext that one Mr. Tanveer Ahmed Mir is going to argue the matter, and he's not coming since last 3 dates. This counter affidavit which was filed today, your lordships, I don't require to see the counter affidavit. It's a short point of law only, your lordships. Whether sanction is necessary for a PC Act to take cognizance or not. A last date of hearing, your lordship will remember that the matter was part heard.
I think you have taken sanction, you have obtained sanction now.
We have obtained sanction. The matter only should be remanded back. Sanctions should be considered and fresh cognizance should be taken.
That is not the prayer, my lord.
What is the problem, your lordship? How is prejudice for Supreme Court advocate extra
My lord,
is
it may be
I
processed.
set aside, remand it. Now,
Yes, your lordship.
My lord, that is not the prayer even. If my lord comes to the prayer,
forget about it, the criminal
No,
case,
no.
what we are pleading.
My lord,
my lord, they have prayed
your
for
lordship
fasting,
will
my
pass
lord.
any order,
The-
but it
the
has to be argued.
sanction, taking
Yes, my lord.
sanction, not taking sanction, it is a procedural thing. They have taken it now.
Yes, my lord, but
Consider
my
and fresh
my lord,
cognizance
Yes, all right,
taken. Partha, wait a minute. Your lordships, the other matter, let the learned senior come and it can be argued. This is a point of law, your lordships. He'll be discharged or
matter is
acquitted.
what? Which matter you are talking?
that is voice
Connected matter.
sub-item, my lord, 2909 of 2022.
Then you tell we'll 2021
22.
22 Sarthak 22
22. Both the matters may be seen.
both the
22 March.
22 March.
last Friday that
First
week.
week of April.
Or
First
4th
week of April.
of April, my lord. 4th of April.
4th of April.
4th April.
Deeply
Your
obliged.
lordship, can indicate that.
No further adjournment.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Granted.
Yes, my
That
lord.
should be written in the order, your lordship.
Repeatedly adjournments are sought by the opposite parties. In this case, Mr. Naik opposed the adjournment. By way of last and final opportunity, matter is adjourned to 4th of April. No further adjournments shall be granted.
And my lord, counter may be brought on record, my lord.
One more line.
The counter
Counter may be brought on record.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Mahapatra files the counter.
My lord, not all the opposite parties.
Not all the
Not all the opposite parties because
Anyway, how does it make difference?
my lord.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
There's some, there should be some, a barrier kind of thing. So that's, yes.
A free copy of the order may be provided.
Yes, please.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Counter order, my lord.
Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
On behalf of Mr. Kanugal, let it taken after launch, your lordship.
No, after launch, I have some cases in court number 5. Next week, I need it.
Adjournment.
Lordship, kindly fix a date, lordship.
Oh, date will be fixed. Don't worry.
Short date
73.
may kindly be fixed, my lord.
73.
Entry order is there, madam. May kindly be extended.
Entry order. Yes.
I think
73, madam.
kindly taken up 2 weeks after. 2 weeks after.
Adjournment.
74.
May I please, your lordship? Don't time agree.
74.
Filed a written note of submission in this matter. Hey, Radu. Sorry,
My lord, your lordship, I may pray before the lordship to give a short adjournment.
Short adjournment because pre-adjournment, three councils have taken line friend.
No, let me say. Sir, tell Karan. My learned friend has submitted all the decisions of Supreme Court and other things as per your lordship's direction. My lord, it is due to my physical problems, so I could not able to go through. So
Any short date. Any week after your lordship, any day fixed week after.
Shortage just now, he will adjust and give you.
Obliged.
Okay. 74.
75.
75. Lordship, on the ground of compromise, matrimonial dispute, lordship. On the ground of compromise, seeking the quashment of the proceeding.
My lord.
Saridava 490 case a conviction matter, you lost him 3 months imprisonment. Let him to prepare so that you conviction matter. 70, 80, 81, 81.
81.
See, adjournment. He is praying for adjournment. Lost him direct him to get ready so that you will dispose of this.
Yes. Next week, ready.
That's it, 2 weeks.
Next week, next week. At least one revision, 2 revisions.
At least, 490 days.
Lot of matters are pending. Everybody will seek adjournment, then how things will
yes.
We'll finish it up.
Item 36 of the today's weekly list, my lord. May kindly be withdrawn, my lord.
36.
Item 45. Can it be taken out?
Yes, 45. Time is there, 43 or that. 45.
The 8 years law of affairs. 8 years law of affairs between the victim and the accused. And the
16/1/2024 in custody. My lord, 2 antecedent. Same antecedent. My lord, below commercial le gote 16 masya ra gote 17 masya ra case. Gote kare 2 kg, gote kare 10 kg. 55 year old. Edre achi 8 kg.
8 kilo commercial quantity, 3 months he will report to the police.
Yes, sir. Deep level.
हम लोग पासवर्ड अच्छे नहीं तो नो पासवर्ड Yes.
In this case, your charge sheet has been submitted by police. The person what kind of place coming and different part here. I am indicated for having submitted offense. Video 2 by 1 or 5. When here what has happened, the top acts are right. I am the guardian. Under the DC and we receive organ of the DC. This is very well. The husband of the district had taken my house from them. And the husband of the district by allocation manager is a fisherman. He used to go to high sea and here what was happened, one elder brother's son and that deceived is the mother of children. They have some problem. She fell in love with him and he fell in love with her. And thereafter, what has happened? In the unfortunate night, that boy, when in custody, remanded in second case, 9 January 2024. First is on bail. In this case, two persons have been snatched the case of attitude. And only confession of the 12%.
You are involved in how many cases?
8 cases.
Only on bail basis.
Only? So bail means a license to you.
While we custody, I am demanded to court. That has been.
You might have involved also. Yes, Mr. Raghunath.
When added to other 5 cases, 290.
3 months or 6 months? 3 months.
6 months.
6 months. He has 8 cases. The petitioner is accused and so on, so on, so on. Allegation against the petitioner. 8 allegation. Taken 80 page 8 page the petitioner was the petitioner was arrested in which month?
Remanded on 9th January.
Which case you were arrested?
Arrested in this case number. For this case number 23 or 22.
He was arrested. So and while in custody, he alleged to have confessed regarding his involvement in the present case, namely in PS Kamakhya Nagar PS case number 412 of 2023. Accordingly, he was remanded in this case also. Mr. Raghunath appears for this case, submits that the present petitioner is involved in as many as 8 similar cases, similar kind of cases. Taking into consideration, will be 6 months every Sunday.
23. That has been found 5762A and 363 second 6 of the certificate that present petition having allotment with the victim.
So make some statement.
Real lordship annexed to page 12.
164?
160
So 160 CD the problem. कौन एलिगेशन इट पे चाहिए प्लस 2 बोर्ड क्लास मेरी आसु सीडीआर प्लस 2 so he will fix it over next.
These are Lordship, I am appearing virtually. But here in this particular matter, I have been apprehended by the virtue of the execution of an NBW, which was dated 12/9/2023. But I was previously on bail by the order of the learned court below. If your Lordship will kindly have a glance to page 17.
When you got the bail?
Lords, I got the bail on 13/3/2023. Lords, there was a condition to appear before the court on each day. For reasons, my lords, I was attending to my father's illness since I'm a resident of Balangir and this is a case which is in session at Jharsuguda, I was not able to appear, for which an NBW was issued, my lords. The NBW was executed on 7/11/2023 and I have been in custody thereon, my lords. 7/11/2023.
23. Show me the rejection order. What is it?
My lords, the rejection order is at page 13, my lords. May I place it, my lords?
Yes.
This is the successive bail application after rejection of the earlier bail on 24/11/2023. Copy so and so. It is my lords, I'm reading the second para. It is submitted for the accused applicant that he is in custody from 7/11/2023. He was on bail previously. He was required to attend his ailing father on 12/9/2023. He has filed some medical documents in support of the same. His failure to attend before the court on that day is unintentional, hence he prays to allow the applicant on bail. My lords, there was, my lords, your lordship may kindly,
On the other hand?
my lords may come to the relevant para, that is last para. Peruse the materials on record. NBWA has been issued against the accused on 12/9/2023 due to his default on his appearance on that day. He was produced in custody before this court on 7/11/2023 in execution of the NBW issued against him. He has been allowed to go on bail on 13/3/2023 with conditions to appear personally before the court on each day of posting till conclusion of the trial, along with other conditions. The charge have been framed against the accused on 11/5/2023. No doubt the absence of the accused has protracted the proceedings in the file unnecessarily. This is a case under section so and so, my lords, and medical papers submitted.
What is it? He was on bail.
Yes,
in
my lord.
one default, but are you going to appear each and every day or not?
Yes, my lords. That's only because of the difficulty being that I was attending to my father's sickness and the court in session being.
Okay, petitioner is accused in FIR notes also. He was enlarged on bail.
Pursuant to annexure 3, my lords.
No,
Page
date,
7.
give me the date.
13/3/2023.
Enlarged on bail on 13/3/2023 with the condition that he would be appearing before the trial court on each and every date of hearing. However, he was absent. However, he did not appear on 7/11/2023.
No, my lords, he could not appear on the date that was, my lords, 12/9/2023.
Sorry,
On which
12/9/2023.
date the NBW was it.
Therefore, NBW was issued against his client. Pursuant to the execution of NBW, he was taken into custody on
7/11/2023.
7/11/23. The petitioner has offered an explanation regarding his absence, inter alia stating that due to the ill health of his father, he could not appear before the trial court on the claim with some medical document. Taking into consideration all the aforementioned fact, the trial court has rejected his bail application on 12/1/2024 inter alia stating age under. It last kordovo. It page hochi 13.
13 no.
Peruse last, Peruse inter alia stating. Having since the petitioner was already on bail, but for his default on one day, he was again taken into custody. I am of the considered view that the petitioner is entitled for bail, and the petitioner shall be released on bail on the same terms and conditions as was imposed against him while he was enlarged on bail on first enlarged 13/3/2020. Accordingly, the petition is allowed.
Grateful, my lords, deeply obliged.
Yes. Speak little louder. Still you don't have energy, it seems.
My lordship, unknown FIR registered 457 and 380 of IPC
Yes.
offense, my lord.
Yes.
In meantime, the phone number of accused person charge sheeted accused, my lord. In this case, my lord, the petitioner arrested one court card PS case number 239 of 2022, my lord. Arrested 26/11/2022, my lord. In meantime, present petitioner remand in this case, my lord. In this case, other co-accused bail granted by trial court. Present petitioner bail only rejected this case only ground petitioner has 36 of criminal antecedent, my lord. All, most of cases are acquitted by trial court and some cases also.
Give me the chart. In which case what happened?
37 criminal and
37 cases.
Some cases are acquitted and some cases are bail granted.
In many cases, you must not be on bail.
Only 4 cases are pending now. All except 4 cases, other cases are already bail granted, my lord. In this case, only remand case, my lord. I mean, remand custody, my lord.
Stolen article.
17/5/2023, my lord.
And what about the other 36? Same kind of cases.
No,
My lord.
Other
There
different
is no
case,
detailed instruction, my lord.
ଧର୍ମଗଡ଼ରେ ଅଛି my lord, କୋଟପାଡ଼ରେ ଅଛି, ଜୟପାଟଣାରେ ଅଛି, ତାପରେ ବରିଗାମାରେ ଅଛି my lord, ମାଲକାନଗିରିରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅଛି। 36
Which place you have left?
My hometown, my lord, Nobronk.
Change the place now. 36 particular, you prepare a chart and give.
My lord.
I will incorporate that.
Along with sections.
Huh?
Along with sections.
Along with section, what is the stage? You prepare a chart and give. I'll take it up on 1920, 19. Prepare full chart.
My lord.
FIR number. When he is in custody, what is the stage?
My lord.
You give it.
Okay.
I will incorporate that. Thereafter, I'll give the bail so that in other cases it will be helpful. Okay?
Man.
Yes. Yes.
May I please, your lordship, Miller, 457, 380, and 511, Miller. They attempt, Miller. Here allegation that, Miller, the informant in his affair alleged that some unknown persons, Miller, entered into the NTM counter and they tried to loot the cash. On that allegation, Miller, one Sanjay, apprehended by the prosecuting agency, and he confessed that he, along with the present petitioner and others, were committed the crime. Basis of the implication, confessional statement of the co-accused, and 457, 380, and 511 of IPC, and I am custody, Miller, 18/1/2024, and so far the criminal antecedent, I have 4 cases, Miller.
Same nature of allegation.
And
he's a member of the habitual member of ATM looter again.
No, segura सब OMC.
Gang, my lord. He is one of member. Of course, fortunately, in same night, they were tried to 3 ATM, but they could not able to success.
Okay.
There are
Look into the Miller criminal antecedent case, Miller. That is Miller only OMC, Bali Chori case, Miller.
Yes, right.
So you have a multi-press personality.
Bali Chori. Yes, Bali Chori.
ATM machine भांगिवा.
So confessional statement मोटू किसी एक गोटे mobile phone seize है, मो mobile phone टा. आउ से जो weapon किसी seize है नहीं. That is
What
also
are the material in this case, I guess?
It is first time coming CD may confirm because it is
rejection order is everything, Miller, and details, Miller, only.
Investigation is still on.
No, completed, Miller. Or not.
Charge sheet file gala?
Yes, Miller. No, 3 is file is, Miller.
But there is no.
During investigation, rejection, Miller course during investigation, but in the meantime, pendency of the bail application.
Where is the charge sheet? You might have got it. You file the charge sheet.
Then Miller on 14th, the co-accused bail application, my lord, also posted on 14th.
14th. Give me the number.
Yes.
Give the number. 14th. That's co-accused bail application being
802 of 2024.
802 of 2024 is listed on 14th. Lease
Yes.
the matter along with that. Okay. Yes. Adjournment.
65,
May I please? My lord, modification of pardon, my lord. Here is a case, my lord, where the petitioner is implicated under 341, 294, 323, 325, 326, 506, 387, 34 of IPC, and by ABLAPL number 2975/2023, they have released on bail the present petitioners, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, charge sheet has been submitted.
What is the modification you want?
My lord, 307 has been added in the charge sheet, and NBW has issued against the present petitioner, my lord. Earlier on bail, my lord.
I have already passed the order on 6/2/2024.
Yes, my lord.
What is wrong in it? Tell me.
My lord, only my lord, the offense 307 is added in the charge sheet.
When I passed the order, it was there.
Yes, my lord.
Then where is that?
My lord, order, my lord.
No,
307 is
no. PS case model.
PS case number, my lord, 153 of 2023.
No. You see the FIR. The sections are written from FIR.
Only the 307 has been added in charge sheet. Yes, my lord. And my lord, if possible, 307 maybe.
Where is the charge sheet now?
My lord, charge sheet I am submitting.
It is not there in the charge.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you trying to tell? Just when you file the petition, that time whatever the provisions are there, I have incorporated. Now some subsequent development has taken place.
That
On
was
the basis of subsequent development, I will modify my own order.
No, my lord, that was not subsequent development. That was prior to.
It was not there in my record. What to do? If you keep it in your file, you keep it. If you don't file it, where from I'll get these offenses?
Sorry, my lord.
Sorry means I can't modify the order like this. I can't modify. Please don't increase the work of this court.
Lord,
Whatever document you had filed, on that basis I have passed the order. Today you are bringing some file, some document which is not there.
My lord, before
modification means it is a reflection on the court's proceeding. As if I committed some mistake.
No, my lord.
Then
I have not mentioned that.
Then you face it. Whatever. It is a matter of cancellation of NBW only. I have cancelled the NBW. What is the problem? You go and surrender. That's the order.
My lord, same order may be governed by surrender.
That is the order.
Surrender.
What modification? I don't understand. I have only said that you have to appear.
My lord, that is the
on or before.
Yes, my lord, and directed kept in abeyance.
Kept in abeyance till
25/2/2024. My lord.
24.
Not kept in abeyance till
25/2/2024.
24.
That time is over.
Yes, my lord.
Only what can I do is I can extend the time.
My lord,
I'll say that he had some difficulty, he could not appear, so I am extending time.
My lord, my prayer, my lord, 1 month time may be granted, my extended. Till that time, I will file another anticipated bail and
do whatever. I have said you avail remedy, whatever remedy available to you, do
only
I
one.
will keep it. Only indulgence what I can give you is I will extend the time.
No, only yes, my lord.
Right.
Only 1 month.
By the order dated 6/2/2024, the NBW issued against the petitioner by the court below on 19/12/2023 was kept in abeyance till 25/2/2024 to enable the petitioner to avail remedy under law. Consequently, the petitioner stay modification. Then consequently, there is the counsel for the petitioner states that his client could not avail the concession granted by this court and seeks further 1 month time to surrender before the court below and avail the remedy under law. Taking into consideration the averments made in the application, the application deserves merit. Accordingly, the same is allowed, and the order dated 6/2/2024 is modified to the extent that the NBW issued by the court below on 19/12/2023 execution of NBW issued by the court below on 19/12/2023 will remain shall be kept in abeyance up till 15th of April. 15th of April, 15th April 2024, so as to enable the petitioner to surrender before the court below and avail remedy under law.
78.
But in this case, my lord, the matter has already been compromised. As the petitioner is in custody, my lord, last occasion your lordship directed.
Well, the earlier, the last occasion, your lordship on 13/2/2024, direct the petitioner on the basis of compromise made between the parties to approach the learned court below to release on interim bail to present before this honorable court to support the compromise affidavit. And as per your lordship's direction, we approach the learned court below.
Where I have said?
My lord, on record, my lord, 13/2/2024, my lord.
On para 5, my lord.
However, liberty is granted to the petitioner to approach to the appropriate forum for such relief available under law. Yes.
My lord.
Yes.
I have filed a bail application before the court below, my lord, without going through this order, my lord. They had to mechanically reject the bail order. And I have filed a subsequent bail before this honorable High Court, which is still pending, my lord.
Which one? Pending.
Pending before this honorable court. By BLAPL number 1626, my lord.
In the now what have you done? You moved application for modification. What is it?
No, application for quashing of the entire criminal proceeding on the ground of compromise.
376(2)(n) and all, huh?
Yes, ma'am. The victim is a major.
Viral. Photograph viral. Huh?
They are saying that they have already married the victim and he is in custody. Only because of that, your lordship directed they first come out from the jail custody, then you appear before this court. Then matter would be.
Then only we can do it. POXO is not there.
POXO
Major.
POXO is not there. So therefore it can be if they are married.
So your lordship.
Where is the girl?
Last occasion is present, so
She is also present outside of the court.
outside of the court.
She is there, huh?
Yes, my lord.
Where is that rejection application? Show me.
So
My lord,
bail order to ask the Should I file for the already?
You separate file. You have filed.
my lord.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
439 bail application I have filed.
When have you filed that?
My lord, that is prior to 15 days, my lord. There is bail application number 6.
Take the number.
Yes.
Give the number.
My lord.
List it on 18th along with this.
My lord. My lord.
That day I'll grant him bail. Let him come out and we'll see.
Yes, yes, yes.
My lord, my lord.
Okay.
Obliged.
Highly obliged.
No, make it 15.
15th, your lordship.
Make it
What's the
15.
number?
Number 1624.
So if you make it 15, he'll
1626.
come out on 18th
18th.
and 19th we will pass everything.
Yes.
That's the best way of it.
Yes.
My lord.
If they are married, if at all.
Yes.
They are married, they are happily married or because he is there in the custody, so he had to
No. They are residing happily.
thereafter the divorce petition.
No.
We will interact with that. Bail application along with this will be listed on 15. 15. Yeah. No, because it's special case, therefore. Call that girl also on 15. So, Mr. Maharaj will interact, then we will understand. Now, where is the point of giving bail? If it by force he is married, then again we will spoil the relationship.
Yes.
Take bail.
Yes.
They just interact with her.
Yes,
Bring,
sir.
call her at 15.
Yes.
And in the morning only let him interact.
Yes.
My lord.
Then we will pass everything.
Man.
Thank you.